My name is Saish. I'm Assistant Sales Manager of Jeep Showroom. That's the Sairam Jeep. This is the authorized Jeep dealership what we have opened recently in Goa. So I'm here with my full team. He's Mr. Ronnie Alemao, my General Manager for Sales and Service. Mr. Manish Sharma, Sales Manager. Chetan Shinde, my Sales Consultant. And Ankita, my Customer Relationship Manager. And my team, Paresh and this. So as I'm Angasa, as I'm so 4x2. That's the all new Jeep Compass 4x2 9-speed automatic as a launch zala. And we have just unveiled this vehicle just now. And I would like and request the entire people of Goa to please come down to Sairam Automart Wheels Private Limited and visit us and take a test drive of all new Jeep Compass 4x2 which has been recently launched, and take the exciting drive of the vehicle and understand why Jeep for people. If it's a SUV, why to show trust in Jeep. सो हांव इतलेंच मागता सगळ्या गोंयकारां कडेन की येवचें, एकदां जीपाची टेस्ट ड्रायव्ह घेवची, गाडयेन इन्वेस्ट करचे पयलीं तुमी येया. वी विल बी हियर विथ माय एंटायर टीम टू वेलकम यू. सो द ऑल न्यू जीप कंपास diesel automatic 4x2 is starting at an exciting price of 20,49,000, followed by different models in it and different variants in it. People can choose wide variety of SUVs with us. And second thing is आमचो waiting period खूब कमी आसा. It's just 15 days. We can deliver the vehicle at each and every home of our beautiful Goa. Previously आमचे कडेन जी SUV आशिल्ली जीप कंपास, we had an option of 4x4 only. And सर कस्टमराक एक आमच्या वचपा जाय आशिल्लो लिमिटेड ऑप्शनल or maybe model आसाक जाल्यार it will be a price bracket of 38 lakhs to 40 lakhs. But now we are very proud to say that the price will start from 20,49,000 and simultaneously go model to model wise वाडून वाडटलो त्या प्रमाणे. We have lot of variety options in colors also. It is coming with black, white, silver, grey, blue, green and etc. etc. We are also having lot of features, like we are coming with panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera, ventilated seats with 12-way electrically adjustable seat at driver and co-driver, steering is tilt and telescopic, electric boot opening at the back, and a number of features what every person would like to see in his vehicle at the bracket of around over to 25 lakhs. ओके. अँड सो हांव तुमचे कडेन सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की तुमी येवचें आनी प्लीज एक एक्सपिरियन्स घेवचो न्यू SUVचो अँड साईराम जिपाचो, एज इज द ओनली ऑथरायज्ड जीप डीलरशीप इन गोवा.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.